Welcome to the MAX portal. To access the dashboard, click on Menu and select Dashboard. The dashboard allows you access to all reports to which you are subscribed, with the map on your right displaying the location of the most recent events. Press Ctrl and scroll to zoom in on the map. On the left, you will find the latest reports, with the most recent first, covering anything from protests to militancy, weather to politics. More information on events displayed on the map can be found when clicking on an event icon. Clicking on the icon will display information about the type of event, the date of the event, as well as the risk level. The risk level goes from low in green to medium in yellow, high in red, and finally purple for events categorized as an extreme risk. Accessing more information about events can also be done by clicking on an entry in the left pane. The report page displays the type of incident and the type of report released, along with a map detailing the location. Use the map controls to move around, zoom in, or access Google Street View. On the right side of the report, a summary of the country risk level, the affected area, the risk level, and the strength of the source is displayed. Additionally, use the Related Reports section to view and access similar reports. On the report page, you will find information about the event or incident, as well as assessments and actionable recommendations. You can also save reports or ask questions to our analysts. If you have a question about a specific report, you can click here and post a private comment to our expert analyst team, and we will get back to you ASAP addressing your request. You can also save each report as a PDF, send the report by email to others, and save this report as a favorite. It will then be available in the My Reports section of the portal. Events can also be viewed using the MAX calendar. The MAX calendar is where you're able to view events that may affect security and business continuity. Select your desired time frame by clicking on month, week, or day. You can view next month's events by browsing through the calendar at the top left. Filtering events by region can be done by selecting a specific region or country from the Event Categories menu. For more information about an event, hover over the entry or click on the event.